Have you ever needed your Windows product key but you don't know where to find it? Or maybe you think you need some complicated software to solve this problem? The good news is that your Windows product key is already hidden on your computer and you can easily find it without any extra tools. In this video, I will show you how to find it on less than 1 minute, so you never have to worry about losing it again. Search for CMD or command prompt, open command prompt, then write this command, write wmic path, write software, SoftwareS is capital, then licensing, it is LICENSING. This also starts with capital L. Service is also started with capital S, SERIC. Then get, write OA, X3, OA is also capital. Then write original, ORIGINAL, O is also capital. Without space, write product key, key is also capital, ORDUCT, key, then hit enter. With this method, you can find easily your product key. I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good day. See you soon.